Starts. I'm super focused on the starts. Just gotta get out there and run. Just run away and go as hard as I can for 7 laps, and yeah, it'll all work out good. Yeah, definitely these races I'm going to focus on the starts for sure, which I've been good on all week. And, you know, just hammering those first couple laps and then just keeping my head down and charging the whole moto and getting out front and staying out there.
These next couple races, I need to get a start. Just start up front and that'll make the race even more easy.